How to earn money online by just typing. Typing is a skill, just like learning to play the piano. Playing the keyboard can be learned and improved over time. Typing can also. I know you can easily find information about earning money by typing. You can even find all sorts of free training material. But if you want to learn how to earn money by just typing, you need to pay attention to this video. With so many ways to make money online, it's no wonder many people are looking for a legitimate, non-scam method of earning money online by just typing. These are non-technical and easy way to start. But you should have a good typing speed. How to type fast? Type a simple sentence or type a sentence in your own words. Then keep typing. You can write anything you want. It can be about your experiences, your thoughts, your opinions, and even your ideas. Just start typing away. Don't worry about grammar, spelling, or punctuation. But do stick to the topic at hand. In fact, the more you write, the better you'll get. Remember the rule. Practice, practice, and practice. Add on the Grammarly extension to fix the grammar issues at once without interrupting your workflow. What is a typing job? Typing jobs and data entry jobs are one of the most popular ones that can be easily done online. The process is simple and anyone can do it. All that is required is a basic computer and internet access. To be successful in this field, you need to be good at typing and comfortable with the computer keyboard. Many people who have started with data entry jobs and become successful have made it a full-time career. Number 1. Data entry. Data entry jobs are similar to typing jobs, but there are some key differences. Data entry jobs often involve inputting information into various databases such as customer databases or employee databases, whereas typing jobs often involve transcribing and typing letters, emails, memos, and other documents. But at both, the content is similar to type, so it's easy to learn and start your typing journey. Number 2. Subtitle writing. As many different job titles such as video editing, voiceover, script writing, voice recording, web design, and other types of writing. Most of these jobs require a high level of skill and knowledge. You will also need to be creative. But more importantly, subtitles are a very important part of any video. They make it easier for viewers to follow along with the video. A person who writes the subtitles should know what they are doing. They should have the correct grammar and spelling, and they should use the right words to represent what is happening in our video. Subtitling is an essential part of the video production process. It is also a good idea to include captions for people who have hard to hear. Find out sub-captioning work at freelance work and make money. Number 3. Transcription. It is the process of recording audio and converting it into text. A person who is working can sometimes get confused when they listen to a video. It's best to have some training. Good training can prepare you to transcribe in different languages. Number 4. Typing CAPTCHA. These are the names given to the special characters that you need to type before creating an account on a website. These characters are also known as CAPTCHAs. CAPTCHAs are used to identify different symbols and type them correctly. Mostly, the purpose is to verify that the person is human. It is possible that there is a robot that tries to pretend to be a human being. This is why coders have created a system to prevent these robots from doing so. Here are 2 platforms to get your CAPTCHA writing projects. TranscribeMe. TranscribeMe is a tool that allows users to transcribe audio files in real time while listening to them. Users can either transcribe themselves or allow the program to transcribe the file for them. You can then add notes, tags, and annotations to the transcript. The program is free for individual use and is available on iOS, Android, and the web. Number 5. Sell your typing skills to Fiverr. Fiverr is a website that allows people to sell their skills online. For $5, you can get the opportunity to sell yourself as a writer, graphic designer, editor, or even a web developer. If you think you have the ability to become an expert at something, why not sell it? If you are a typing expert or able to type quickly, consider typing for someone to do their job. You'll pay $5 or more depending upon the package. These are the ways to earn money online by just typing. However, if you are looking to make some extra money on the side, it's important to do a little research. Thanks for watching.